Yo, so I bought this. This is a Pi 12 SSD 2230. Going to this is the Steam Deck. So I will open this and then change the LCD. The SSD. Okay. Now I have removed it. Be careful. It's not that easy to remove this, but even you can use a credit card, to open it. Okay. So what else? Now I already removed it. The screen. This is the original. This is a 64 GB. As you can see, it's a different pin than mine because this is only say, but it fits. So let's try if it will work. Be careful. I messed up getting this screw here. I put it here so my deck won't close because it's different. It's supposed to be in here. My bad. So be careful not to place the screw here also where you left it. Okay, now you have to download this file, the Steam Deck Imager. It's in zip, so you have to extract it first. Okay, they did not mention it, but you have to extract it, the .img, the image, and then flash it to the USB. Okay, let's try. So after some attempt, I thought I break my Steam Deck. So you have to re-image the Steam Deck, not reinstall. So you have to re-image. If you're able to boot here. I did not see the boot menu when I do this, but it goes here. Anyway, I hope you are doing luck also. So it's still going. I'll see you when I get back. So it goes here. Maybe it's safe to remove the memory card. I haven't removed it yet, so never mind. I'll remove it later. So I'll set it up. So it's still downloading, updating. It's still downloading the update. So I pop up my SD card, the one I installed. So it detected the SD card as my games that I downloaded. So the SD card is transitable to the new SSD. Let's see if it's working. Guess I can play. Still downloading the menu file or something. Runtime. But anyway, you don't have to download all the device. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.